When the video starts.
Yeah, and we're chilling with some goldfish and some puffs and some Mike and Ikes. But Alright, so today we're hold on a second.
You put too many in your mouth.
Today, we are playing Skylanders Imaginators, but you can't exactly play the game. You can just make your own Skylander.
Yeah.
It's called Skylanders Creator app.
Yeah, but
and today, we have Sean with us, so I can make a fake ghost puncher on Skylanders Imaginators.
Yeah,
but we have everything unlocked. It's 6, so we can make actually whatever we want. Right, Sean?
Yeah, but
Wait, but there's no nail polish weapon in Skylanders. What are we gonna do?
throw it out of here.
I'm joking, it's for Sean.
It's okay, we don't need to copy that.
Ow! Ow. Okay, so now let's get to it.
Michael, show it to me.
So
too.
since Sean is a fake ghost puncher, he's gonna be in the undead element.
Yep.
And then, is there a brawler? Oh yes! So undead brawler, that's what Sean is. So let's see if we can make Sean.
Yeah, because he's a fake ghost puncher.
Yeah.
He punches a lot.
Let's see if we can find a baby head. Okay, there's Sean. Sean,
Okay.
that's you. And now some ears for Sean.
Yep.
Get these ears. Baby chest. Sean, that's you, but you're green. Did you see his face? He was like,
No.
so that is a baby arm.
Can I see?
That's Sean so far. Now, legs. I was about to say tail. Now, baby legs. Sean, that's you! Do you like it?
Basketball.
You don't like it? We're not doing a tail because we're making Sean. He has to be real. Oh, let's give Sean some chaos fist. Yeah, that's you. Are you trying to see the iPad?
Huh?
Oh, it's got you a baby mohawk up in here. Yeah. Whoa, you're strong. I think I might get, how are they?
A bad juju head?
I'm gonna get ninja shoulders. And now arm. Now some leg arms. Oh, skeleton! 135.
Sorry. Ow! Ow!
Okay, I think that's about right for Sean.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that would be undead.
Welcome!
Let's change his color, of course. Yeah, that's good. That is Sean, baby. Sean, baby. Okay, do you like it? He's like, what are you shoving in your mouth? Are you shoving? Now, personality, name would be fake ghost puncher, of course.
Yeah.
Punch. Wah, blah.
Prepare to face
Like it
my
hit mine
muscles.
here.
Now let's choose his voice and what he'll sound like.
Prepare to face my muscles.
I'm gonna face my muscles.
I think that sounds good, right?
Yeah.
Nothing
you
better
have it. It's for your nails.
My muscles.
Oh, haunted by it. And then,
Haunted by my nightmare.
yeah. We're going to choose this catchphrase because Ghost is Sean's nightmare and he is haunted by them. So let's choose this catchphrase, right, Sean? Right? Right! Ow! I think that's a good catchphrase. I'll just choose. Reload! Chase, where's the goldfish? Which is... Michael, what the?
Mommy said don't put too many in there. Now I get to eat some.
Hey, don't take Sean's food.
You took one?
No, I didn't, you liar. It was stuck to his lip. I think that is Sean right there. Okay. Visit shop. What's that? Let's see what it is. So Sean, we're the only ones all by ourselves. I love you. I'm gonna change the color.
I put a goldfish in his ear.
So right now we are going to make the fake ghost puncher of Sean, the toy that we made, imaginator that we made, into a toy. So let's do visit shop. Chase, he's wrapping it. Oh.
Do visit shop. He's wrapping it.
Oh.
Say, hurry up.
Okay, so we visit the shop and that wasn't anything. So we're at the shop and this is what you can buy. You can buy an Imaginator figure that you made, an Imaginator card that you made, Imaginator t-shirt, or you can buy the starter pack. So I think we're gonna buy the figure because that would be really cool for Sean to be a Skylander, right? I don't want a puff. Okay, but Imaginator figure that will not load. $50? That's crazy! So add to cart.
Sean, say please.
So that was sold out. Let's see if we can get a shirt or a card. Okay, that's $15. Add to cart. $15 for a card?
Sean,
Jeez.
why did you make all this?
But you can put it on your portal and it'll show up on the game. That's pretty cool though. So I think, yeah, we're gonna get a shirt right now if it's not sold out. I'm gonna get blue and a small for Sean, right? Okay, so add to cart. Please don't be sold out. Yes! It's not sold out. Okay. So So we ordered our stuff. Thanks for watching, everybody. And Sean is gonna have a new T-shirt in maybe a couple months to a week, or weeks, and a little bit, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Like, subscribe, Skylander boy and girl.
Ow!
Peace out. Bow, 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 bow.
All right, Baby Sean, are you there? Baby Sean?
More trouble!
Yeah! We're gonna use Baby Sean to get back Baby Sean.
Jalapeno.
Because we forgot to change the name. It's Hot to Baby Sean You.